What's up, everybody? How is your day going? I don't really want to talk over the video, because I think that the music I've chosen is so beautiful that it would be a shame not to listen to it. However, I want to explain what today's video is about. As you might have seen from the initial images of the video, I wanted to try out an accessory that I bought from Temu, and that I often see used in those fantastic ASMR videos on social media. I don't even know what the name of this accessory is. Perhaps roller? Correct me if I'm wrong, but for now I'll call it a roller. Now you're watching me as I try to stick the double-sided tape, and it's a little bit tricky, but I did it. Fortunately, these rollers are universal and easily fit the resin pen I normally use. The canvas I chose today to try them out features a Pokemon-themed canvas, a beautiful Pikachu. I bought it on One Day Saving, the same website where I got the huge mystery box. If you haven't seen the video yet, check the info box for the link. It was quite the experience unboxing it. I'll quickly show you a part of the kitting up. This diamond painting is small, measuring only 30 cm by 40 cm, and has just about 20 colors. I wanted to try this accessory because I want to become faster at doing diamond painting. I just bought my first painting from Diamond Art Club, and it's enormous. I realized, while making another video, that I'm quite slow at doing them, so I'm looking for tricks to help me be faster. What about you? What tricks do you use to be faster? Okay, let's begin. For the first color, I use the normal tip. And now it's time to use the roller. I don't know what to expect. Okay, I'm already encountering some problems. I don't think I'm good at this kind of thing. I don't know how I managed to pick up 2 rows of drills. I definitely chose the wrong canvas. The glue is not sticky at all, and the drills don't stick but stay on the roller. The double-sided tape is stronger. I'm trying to press as hard as possible, but doing so the drills go out of place and I'm not having much success anyway. I've already given up and switched back to using the multi-placer as usual. But instead of the usual 3 tip, I'm using a size 6. It's the first time I'm doing this. Let's see how it goes. Enjoy a bit of time lapse. If you're not interested, skip ahead, because afterward, I'll try to reuse the roller. And the second attempt went better. If you enjoy time lapses, let me know in the comments, so I can make more videos like this. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it's definitely going better this time. Probably the double-sided tape is not as strong as before, and the drills can finally stick to the canvas. It's the first time I've come across a canvas of such low quality. It's not just a glue issue, but also a problem with the space between the diamonds. I'm not enjoying doing this painting as much as usual. Too bad, because the image is really cute. I think, like with all accessories, it takes some time to get used to using it, but I'm not entirely sure it makes diamond painting faster. So, I think I won't use it in the future. What about you? What do you think about this? The positive thing is that, wanting to finish the painting quickly, I discovered I can also use larger multi-placers, and that's already an achievement. Here's the completed canvas. I hope you enjoyed watching the making of it. Thank you for watching.